Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Nur Suryamni binti Abdul Majid with metric number 43297. I actually have working very hard on completing this final year project. During completing this final year project, I have gone through many unexpected challenges. I have gone through many unexpected challenges with the full of struggling, loneliness, hopelessness, and stress. But this project really helped me a lot as it gave me more knowledge on conducting a research, especially on consumer purchase intention toward local cosmetic products. I hope that this presentation can give better or deeper understanding to the future research on consumer purchase intention. Here, I would like to express my signature thanks to people who have been helped me throughout finishing my final year project. First of all, I would like to thank and give deep gratitude to my respected supervisor, Dr. Khairi Anwar Muhammad Kamal, for teaching and giving valuable information regarding these final year projects. Problem statement. Consumer prefer to use imported cosmetic product compared to local cosmetic product. My title research is Consumer Purchase Intention toward Local Cosmetic Product in Kuching. For the research objective, I divide two sections. First is objective general and the second is specific objective. For the general objective is to identify the relationship between the relevant and the consumer purchase intention toward local cosmetic product without focus on any specific product. My title research is Consumer Purchase Intention toward Local Cosmetic Product in Kuching. For the research objective, I divide two sections. First is objective general and the second is specific objective. For the general objective is to identify the relationship between the relevant and the consumer purchase intention toward local cosmetic product without focus on any specific product. Research question I divide to four sections. The first is brand image and the second is product quality. The third is product knowledge and the fourth is price promotion. That is research question has positive effect on consumer purchase intention toward local cosmetic products. For the hypothesis of the study have four hypotheses, which is brand image, which have a positive influence on consumer purchase intention. Second hypothesis, high product knowledge, which have a positive influence on consumer purchase intention. The third hypothesis is product quality has a positive effect on consumer purchase intention, and the fourth hypothesis is price promotion will have positive influence on consumer purchase intention. For the significance of study, the relevant variable influence of consumer purchase intention toward local cosmetic product in Malaysia. Next is provide a useful reference for the cosmetic firms to know what really influence the purchase intention on cosmetic product in Malaysia. For the scope of research, this research was conducted in Kuching, Sarawak. Kuching is the capital city of Sarawak. Next is Kuching is chosen place for the study because consists of multicultural city with different ethnic group, and this multiculturalism is reflected in the people lifestyle. For the next chapter is chapter 2. It is cover of literature review. Cosmetic industry in Malaysia. Malaysia plays an important aspect of personal grooming. The lifestyle of Malaysia has been very much affected toward the movement and modernity, especially when choosing cosmetic products. Purchases intention. Purchase intention usually is related to the behavior, perception, and attitudes of consumer. The brand image, purchase intention to consumer prefer to buy a product or service due to need or attitude toward a product and perception of products. Next is defined as a belief, idea, and inspiration that person in other perception and brand image. The next is to identify a product, evaluate the quality, reducing purchase risk, gain experience and satisfaction of products. For chapter 3 is methodology. Conceptual framework. Independent variable is purchasing intention. Dependent variable, which is brand image, product knowledge, product quality, and price promotion. The framework describes about how consumer purchasing intention is influenced by the factor. There are 4 types of different factors would probably affect and or influence the purchasing intention on local cosmetic product, which is brand image, product knowledge, product quality, and price promotion. For the research design, divide to section is primary data and secondary data. For the primary data, is cover of questionnaire was used in this study. For the secondary data, the source of secondary data were retrieved of online journal database. Population is a random sample of Malaysia population aged from below 90 years old and above would be chosen as the targeted respondents in Kuching, Sarawak. For the sample, I have researched 5 samples. For the first is sample method, second is data collection, third is instrument development, third is item, and the 5 is data collection procedure. For data analysis, data were collected from questionnaire, is distributing to the respondent, and it will be analyzed by using SPSS Microsoft Windows. Data analysis divided to 2 sections is descriptive statistic and reliability analysis. As I mentioned before this, my hypothesis has 4 hypotheses. The first is brand image will have a positive influence of consumer purchase intention. The second hypothesis, high product knowledge will have a positive influence on consumer purchase intention. And the third hypothesis, product quality has a positive influence on consumer purchase intention. And the last hypothesis is price promotion will have positive influence on consumer purchase intention. That's all from me. Thank you.